Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove table format in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the table. So after selecting the table, click on home options. So in home options you can see editing box. So in editing box you can see clear options. So when you will click on clear options, so here you can see different options: clear all, clear format, clear content, clear hyperlinks. So click on the clear format. So when you will click on clear format, you can see the table format is removed. So if you want to remove filter options, so just click on the head of any column. So after that, in editing box you can see sort and filter option. So just click on it. So after that you can see filter option. So when you will click on it, so all the filter are removed. So guys, in this way you can remove table format in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.